Hello YouTube! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse, and for today we're going to unbox a parcel which came from Yokohama, Japan. This is my first time to purchase an item from Japan. I've been thinking for almost 1 year, deciding whether to order online in an online company that sells salvage denims of famous Japanese brands. And I've been researching on the internet, watching YouTube and videos, some reviews about this company, and finally I decided to purchase some items in this online store which is located in Yokohama, Japan. Actually, I'm not sure if it is in Yokohama, but the parcel itself came from Yokohama, Japan, and I assume that the company online store is located within that vicinity area. So I've been visiting their site for so many times and looking at the items being sold there, and I was targeting a very specific brand of Japanese salvage denim, and this is the Momotaro salvage denim jeans. Actually, when I started being interested of Japanese salvage denim, the first brand that I came into in the internet is Momotaro. You know why? Because of the two stripes, signature stripes, white stripes on their right pocket, and for the jeans, and then another two stripes for their jacket on the left sleeve. So we're going to unbox this DHL parcel that came all the way from Yokohama, Japan to Manila, Philippines. And it only took 3 days to reach this parcel in my house. So, very efficient. And the name of the company is DENIMIO. DENIMIO. So, this is my first time, and I'm already satisfied with how they took care of my parcel. With the fastest time, this parcel was, transmitted or shipped to the Philippines. 3 days time, okay? However, they were able to collect or get all the items that I have ordered in a short of about 4 to 5 days, and then 3 days for the transport. So all in all, it took me 8 days to wait for this parcel, and I really like their efficient service with regards to the shipping. And now we're going to unbox this parcel, DHL. Actually, the total amount of the ordered item I was able to come up with a free shipping, because in their website it says that the total amount of being ordered for more than $150 equivalent is free worldwide shipping. So I took advantage of that free shipping, and here it is through DHL. 3 days, very good, and I need to write a review on their website for this satisfactory feeling that I have right now. So we're going to unbox the things that I've ordered from DENIMIO. So I have my Actually, I ordered 3 items. We'll look at it one by one. Okay? First, I ordered a type 2 denim jacket. And of course, you can see the 2 lines there, white lines on the left sleeve. I ordered a type 2. I still don't have this kind of salvage denim jacket. You have 2 pockets in front, and you have a pocket also on the side. This is the reason why I like this. There is a pocket on the side. So this is my first time to have this kind of Type 2 salvage denim jacket from Momotaro. We'll have another video review on this jacket later on. So the next item that I ordered is their pants with 2 stripes on the back. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So you have the Momotaro leather tag at the back, and of course the 2 white line on the right back pocket. Very nice, very nice. We'll have a separate review on this. And the third one is a Momotaro shirt, a black shirt. So I'm becoming really fond of shirts right now. This is a cotton made, and it is 3/4, and of course it has that 2 lines again on the left sleeve. So very simple, but you know, it's Momotaro, and you have a very nice made in Japan shirt, made in cotton, pure cotton, and I think this will fit me well. So at this time I have completed already my attire, Momotaro attire, a jacket, Type 2, a Momotaro pants with 2 stripes, and a cotton shirt with 2 stripes on the sleeves, a 3/4 shirt. So in my next video, I'll be making a review on these items and show to you if I'm satisfied with the material, the comfort, and of course, you know, I will make a detailed description of these items, how much did I pay for this, but we'll answer your questions on my next video. So basically, this is just an unboxing video of the items that I ordered from DENIMIO from Yokohama, Japan. And I'm really satisfied with their service. Thank you, DENIMIO, for the items that you have sent. I think I will be ordering more from your company. So, guys, this is all for now. And please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like, please make some comments if you have any questions. And of course, you'll be asking questions of how much did I pay for the taxes, how much is the price. I will answer all these questions and details about how I ordered in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.